This 2020 Jayco Redhawk SE 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, slide-out, TV, awning, skylight, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, microwave, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2020 Jayco Redhawk SE 22A is built on a Chevrolet C-Class chassis and is powered by a Vortec engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.